Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I'm going to share something with you that's really important to do, and you can do it yourself. Save yourself some money and don't have the dealer do it. At least check it to make sure you know if it needs to be replaced or not. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So a great item to always check in any car is the cabin air filter. Now, different cars have them at different locations, but the Honda and Acura products are pretty straightforward. You don't need nothing specific either to replace it with. It just has to be the right size. So I just got one of these from Amazon. I think it was like $12. Really cheap. It does the job. You can replace them more frequently. You don't have to get the Honda OEM one. They're basically all the same, but it's real basic, and they'll always want to upsell you that when you take it into the dealer. Let me show you how easy it is to change. And most cars are like this too, at least the Honda and Acura cars. So you want to drop the glove box. Found some money. Okay. See this right here? You just push this in so you remove it from the track that it's on. Just pulling like that. And another at the same time. Let me do it. It's hard to do with one hand. So when you push them both in, it'll allow the glove box to swing down. And then you can see the door right there, that little cover right there. There's some debris in there too. So it's always good to, you can get if you live in a dusty area, dirty area, shop vac, but you want to press in one side and then press in the other side. And then this cover will come off. Pretty basic. Like I said, they're all real similar. So you can already see debris in there. So then you just set that aside. And then when you just pull the filter out, check this out. How filthy it is. And that's everything you're breathing because the air comes through there and out the vents inside your car. Look how bad that is. And there's some wadded up debris on it. And there might have been a mouse in here at one point. So it's another good thing because mice like to get in here and nest, especially in here. It's been a common thing. You sometimes see like acorns stuffed in here. And if you look right there, it looks like it's kind of chewed up, that little foam piece. It's kind of chewed up. So there might have been a mouse in here. I'm not feeling nothing in here. It's where the impeller blade is. It's a good idea to spin that around. It's like a little basket. And there could be like a leaf in there. And then you might hear something when you turn your air on. So you just want to make sure that's clear of any debris. And like I said, so now it makes me a little concerned if there is a mouse running around in here. Because it definitely looks like something chewed foam. But anyway, here's the brand new one I got. You can see the difference here. And you just want to put them in the right way. So kind of pay attention when you pull the OEM one out if you're not going OEM. Because sometimes the aftermarket ones aren't marked. So then you want to put the other one in just like that. Pretty straightforward. It should go in pretty easy. Shouldn't have to force anything, especially since they're all made the right size for each application. So it just slides right in there, all the way in. And then just take your cover, and it's marked on it which way the air flows. It's pointing down. And it'll just snap into place. Make sure it snaps in though, because if not, this thing can fall off and it can get caught in a little crevice. That's all there is to it. And then you just push this in just like you did. And then it's got a catch inside the track. That's it. You're done. It works just like it normally does. It's pretty straightforward. And like I said, this is one of the items they will always try to upsell you on. If you never even check it, they might say, oh yeah, it's dirty, let's replace that. But you should at least know if it's dirty. Just open it up and check it out. Then you'll know if you need to replace it. And like I said, don't buy it at the dealer. They always charge a lot more than what these things are even costing. Just go on Amazon, type in your make and model, the year, and they'll have a ton of different options. You know, they're so cheap. I always get a couple of them and then I replace them every couple, maybe 2 times a year, depending on how much we drive. And it's one of those things, you'd be surprised when you put a new one in, how fresh the air actually smells. And it actually makes a big difference. I was surprised. And just keep doing that and log it when you've done it as far as mileage goes. And then if you guys live in a dusty area, do it a lot sooner, because these things do trap a lot. And anything that's trapped in there, you will get that air pushing through it. So I'll definitely keep it changed. And if you have bad allergies, this should make a big difference if you keep it cleaned on a regular basis as well. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys, something you can do yourself. You don't need any tools to do it. It takes all of 5 minutes. Okay? So I hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate all the support. I do. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.